What up YouTube, this is Jimmy, and I'm going to be unboxing this Asus VX248 LCD monitor. And I just had to put my camera down because this was a little bit tricky. That's the stand. Ooh, sorry. I believe it is upside down. Tons of cords. A lot of them. We're gonna take this out very carefully. Very carefully. Sorry, I got a call, and so I'm pretty sure I tightened it all the way down, right here. So we're gonna, and then we're not gonna break it, but I know I watched the video and they said it was tough. There we go. And we're gonna take all this plastic off. And then we're gonna check it out up close. Sweet. Oh, more plastic. So yeah, I'll set it up for 1 sec. So the monitor is looking really good. The graphics on here don't look that good because of my computer. That's not that. That's not this monitor. I just got a new computer. It's coming in a few days. This is just, it doesn't have a good graphics card enough for any of the new games that are coming out. It's kind of blows, so I had to get another one. But this monitor looks absolutely amazing. And it's not, if you can tell, it's not like really, there's like a little bit of a gap, but I'm sure I can fix that. I don't know. But yeah, overall, it's looking amazing right now. Thanks for watching.